Hey guys, I just wanted to go through some of the work that I've been doing in anti-gravity. I wanted to show you how I've been working through things. I have the brand new anti-gravity. It got updated. I was having some trouble opening up my project before. The whole screen just did a black screen on me. So then I was finally able to get it work. I was so happy. It got throttled again, and then it didn't have this button, but this button says select another model. Very easy to select another model and keep going. I appreciate that it has that button now, but in the past it didn't have that button. It only had the upgrade button, and there's no upgrade available in my region at the moment, so I was really disappointed. But whenever I came back, it had that button, select another model, so I was able to select another model. And now I'm going to be able to move on to the next task of what I want to get done. Using anti-gravity for my website. I'm going to create, I don't need to create a new project. I actually needed to create a new conversation within the project. And that's what I do to kind of clear its memory so it can focus on what I wanted to do next. So I'm going to get back there eventually. So here I am. I'm inputting. I have main page headers, and I'm going to type out all the headers that I have currently. And this part is about to get really confusing because my website is messed up. So I have the shop, gallery, journal, about, tools. I want to keep all of those in place and keep their functionality untouched, but I need to get rid of the headers that I see on another part of the website that say, and then I had to go grab those because look how different those headers look from what they look like on the main page. So, all of my website needs to have uniform formatting. It needs to be easy to follow for users. So I'm adding in what those headers look like so that anti-gravity has a clear picture of exactly what I'm talking about. I'm sure there's a more computer sciencey way that I could have explained this to it, but since I'm using vibe coding, I'm able to actually tell it exactly what I want. I'm not sure why these other headers are there, but they're not helpful. It would be much better if they were the same as the main page headers and allow the main page headers to be functional across the site. And then I said except don't put them in Walden, but I'm going to go back and change that. I already know. Also, whenever you click the main page, like that, I'm talking about the Noble Acre at the top left. It needs to be functional so that it goes back to the home page. But I'm kind of doing some investigating because I want to make sure that what I'm saying is right. See, in Walden, it actually has those weird headers too, and they're not very good. So I'm going to go back and change my prompt so that it knows that, I actually need to get rid of these weird little extra set of headers anyway. And then I'd really like to have functionality with the Noble Acre. It needs to, no matter what page I'm on, the Noble Acre should have that ability to go straight back to the home page. But and then, so I deleted the part where I said except for Walden, because I do want it to be the same on Walden too. And also make the Noble Acre icon at the top what I was saying was that, make the no breaker functional. So it was thinking, and it's really, really fast. So I just had to say, like, yes, I'm going to allow these changes. I got into the point at this point where I really trusted anti-gravity. It had implemented like all those extra tabs that you see here now. They weren't there before, so it had implemented a lot correctly. So I kind of just trusted it to fix these issues as well. The headers are staying the same. If I click the About tab, it's changed. So look, it's successful. It looked great. It looked like a way better formatting. So I'm very happy with that. And look how great the rest of it looks as well. So it did a few extra things for me the last go around. The UI is just incredible. Look at that. I am very impressed with anti-gravity about this. I didn't ask for that, but look at the formatting there on the